yeah. It's not a secretary.
Is it a seagull?
No, it's not a seagull.
No.
This one is called a grey heron.
Oh yeah, that's a
Grey heron. Okay. Why are bees so important?
honey.
Honey, but not only honey. What else?
They collect nectar.
Yes, they collect nectar.
Pollinate the plants.
They pollinate. Okay, so without bees, no apples, no pears, no fruit. First, the one person is the camera, the one person in front, and the one person in the back is the photographer. I press once on the right shoulder, you open the camera, and then it goes click, click. She takes a picture, and then she closes again. A plant, okay. Yeah.
Sky.
Oh, the sky. What? How does the sky look like today?
Blue.
Any clouds?
No.
Great. Okay, Alexandra. When we move through nature, we need to understand nature. The first thing is we always need to know from which direction is the wind blowing. So who of you can tell me? There's the wind coming. Okay, which direction is this?
North.
This is north. So which direction is this?
South. East. West.
Dropping tells us a lot about the animal. First of all, you can see how old it is. Not the animal, but when last did it pass you. So for hunters, it's very interesting when you find something that is very fresh, you know you are very close. But that's nice, see? Every dung you see, open it, and it tells you a story. There's always a story. When you are sick, you can chew the leaves. Okay? It opens up your sinus when you have flu and spit it out again. You can try it very bitter, or when you have a flu, you can put it in hot water and steam with it. You know what steaming is?
Yes.
Yeah, put it in hot water, boiling water with a towel over it. It opens up all your sinuses. When you start a fire, at the bottom comes the grass. This is way too much. Okay, so you look for the thinner ones, You need 3 times as much. Build a pyramid, and then at the last thing you put the bigger ones over it. But once this burns, you put on more.
I mostly enjoy just being alone in the quietness of nature.
I enjoy learning about the animal droppings.
I enjoyed the fruits and just the quietness of nature.
I enjoyed learning about the trees. I enjoyed making the fire.